Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the transpose of the matrix, properties, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now today I have discussed about the topic the determinants. In this topic this year some syllabus is reduced and the removed, okay, because of the due to the COVID. Now this is very important topic, determinants. In this one we will get the long answer question, that is 6 marks question. Now what is the meaning of the determinant? Every square matrix can be associated, means can be converted into the expression or a value, expression or a value or a number. Every square matrix can be associated to the expression or a number, which is called a determinant of the square matrix. This expression or a number is called the determinant of the square matrix. For suppose the determinant of the square matrix of order 1 by 1. For suppose A is equal to is a square matrix of order 1 by 1. For suppose that is A, only one matrix, one element, that is the order is 1 by 1. The determinant of the matrix is denoted by det A or vertical bars of A, that is equal to value determinant of A is equal to A only. The determinant of the square matrix of order 1 by 1, okay, that is called determinant is A. For suppose A is the matrix of -2. What is the determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to -2. This is not a modulus, this is vertical bars. The value, the singular means 1 by 1 matrix, 1 by 1 matrix, the determinant is that value only, that number only. Okay, for suppose the determinant of the square matrix of order 2 by 2. Determinant of square matrix of order 2 by 2. Now for suppose A is equal to, for suppose A, B, C, D is a square matrix. A, B, C, D is a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Then the expression AD minus BC, AD minus BC is called the determinant of the matrix A. AD minus BC is called the determinant of the matrix A, and its this expression is called the determinant of the matrix A, and it's denoted by det A vertical bars of A, or det A is equal AD minus BC. This is the determinant of the matrix. Now what is this A is equal? For suppose how to find out? This is det A, you write the vertical bars of A, B, C, D. This is the matrix, this is the determinant. Difference we can observe that. This is the closed brackets, this is the vertical bars. Determinant, whenever you write the determinant, compulsory write in the vertical bars. Now this is equal to, now the multiplication AD, cross multiplication A into D, AD minus post multiplication, off multiplication, that is called off multiplication, that is called BC, that is called AD minus BC. This is the determinant of the given matrix. Now we take the example A is equal to, for suppose 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Now determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Now what is the formula? This is AD 1 into 3, in the formula minus 2 into minus 1. 1 into 3, 3, minus into minus plus, 2 into 1, 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. The determinant of A is equal to 5. Very important. How to find the determinant of the square matrix of order 2 by 2. That A is equal to ABCD, that is AD minus BC is called the determinant of the given matrix. How to find the determinant means this is ABCD, this is the cross multiplication, after that is the half multiplication minus, this is the example of that one. Next, you have discussed about the topic minor of an element. This is the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. After minor cofactor of an element, we will discuss about the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, first, what is the minor of an element? Now, minor of an element in a given matrix. Minor of an element. For suppose you will take the square matrix. What happened? For suppose A, B, C, D is the square matrix of order 2 by 2. Now we can find the minor of an element. 2 by 2 square matrix means how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. We can find the 4 minors. Every element have a minor. What is the meaning of the minor? For suppose minor of an element. The for suppose minor is denoted by capital M. Minor means capital M. For suppose this is first row, first column. Minor of M11, that is equal to A. Minor of M means minor, that is the first row, first column. This is the element. We can find the minor means we delete the row and column, the element at which present. We delete the row and column, the element at which present. The remaining element of the determinant. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. Only the remaining is only one element. That is the determinant of that element is that one element only. For suppose 3 by 3 matrix, we will take the 3 by 3 matrix. We remove the row and column. We will get the 2 by 2 matrix. Those 2 by 2 matrix determinant. First, we delete the row and column. The remaining element is D, that is the square matrix of order 1 by 1, that is equal to D. What is the determinant of this one? Means D only, that is the minor of an element A is equal to D. Minor of A is equal to D. Similarly, minor of B. What is the meaning of that one? We delete the row and column, the element at which present B. Where is the present? This is the B. Now delete the this one and this one. What is the remaining? That is the C. Next one is minor of C. Same process. Delete the row and column, the obtained matrix determinant, that is equal to B. Minor of D. Minor of D is equal to this one and this one. Row and column deleted, that is equal to A. That means every square matrix, the elements in the every square matrix should have the minors. Person in the examination point of view, we will take the any one question. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3 per suppose. In the examination point of view, find the minor of minus 3 per suppose. Find the minor of minus 3. What is the minor of minus 3? Minor of minus 3 is equal to delete the row and column, the element present in which row and which column. This one you delete. Now the left one is 1. That is the minor of minus 3 is equal to 1. That is very, very simple. Perhaps we will take the means 3 by 3 matrix. What about the minor? For suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whatever may be. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now find the minor of an element. We can find the minor of any element. For suppose find the minor of 4 per suppose. What is the definition? You can delete the row and column, the element at which present. Okay, this row and this column deleted. What are the remaining elements? 2, 3, 8, 9. That is the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. That is equal to 2 9s are 18 minus 8 3s are 24. 18 minus 24 is equal to how much? Means minus 6. That is the minor of 4. The minor of the 4 is how to means you can delete the row and column, the element at which present, the remaining obtained matrix The remaining obtained matrix determinant is called the minor of the element. For suppose we will take the minor of 2 or 8, whatever may be. Minor of 2. What happened? Minor of 2 means we delete this one, this row and this column. What happened? This row and this column we can delete. Remaining element is 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. 4 9s are 36, 6 7s are 42. That equal to what is that? That is minus 6. Minus 6. That is the minor of an element in a square matrix of order 2 by 2 or order 3 by 3. What is the meaning of the minor means? Compulsory. The minor of an element, deleting the row and column at which the element is present. Okay. Now we have discussed about the cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. Now we have discussed about the cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. In the same way, in a square matrix, every element have a cofactor. Before you discuss, every element have a minor. In this one, every element have a cofactor. Listen carefully. Every element have a cofactor. How to define this one means, the minor of an element, is multiplying with, the minor of an element is multiplying with minus 1 power I plus j. The minor in a square matrix, the minor of an element is multiplying with minus 1 power I plus j, where I comma j are the suffixes. The element present in which row and which column. The element present in which row and which column. Understand? Now, for suppose we can take the example. For suppose A is equal, for suppose A, B, C, D, a square matrix of order 2 by 2. How to find? You know that. Now, first I have discussed about the, the minor of A. Minor of A means this row, this column is deleted. This is the answer is D actually. This minor is multiplied with minus 1 power I plus j. Now, that is called cofactor. Now, for suppose cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equal to, cofactor of A nothing but the first we write the row and column deleted, the remaining matrix, obtained matrix determinant, that is the D. D is multiplied with minus 1 power I plus j. I means row, first column. That is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. That equal to minus 1 whole square into D. That equal to D. Understand or not? Next, cofactor of A is over. Next, cofactor of B. In the same process, first we write the minor. What the cofactor of B means? That is C. But it is in the first row, second column. First row, second column. 1 plus 2, 3. The power is 3. Odd. Power is odd means Martian should is minus. Understand or not? Next, cofactor of C. Thinking. Cofactor of C is nothing but the first we write the minor of the C. Minor of the C is B. What is the multiplication is? Minus 1 power I plus j. What is C means? Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 2 plus 1. Minus 1 power I plus j. 2 plus 1 means 3. Minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube means minus B. Next one is cofactor of D. Cofactor of D nothing but the A. Cofactor of D nothing but the A. What happened that one? Means first we write the minor. What is the minor of D is A. After that multiplied with minus 1 power I plus j. This is the second row, second column. Means 2 plus 2, 4. The power is 4. Minus 1 power is 4 means minus 1 power 4 means positive. That is the D. Now we write this is the A matrix, we will take the 2 by 2, whatever may be. Now cofactor of A, cofactor of B, cofactor of C, cofactor of D. Now we write the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix of A, that is equal to something new matrix, that is equal to B. What are the cofactor of matrix? Cofactor of matrix is D. Next, cofactor of B is minus C. Cofactor of C is minus B. Cofactor of matrix D is A. This is the cofactor matrix of A. Simply we can find the cofactor matrix of A. Now directly how to find the cofactor matrix? Observe that this is the A cofactor matrix. In the 2 by 2 matrix there is no change in the values. Same values A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, no problem. Now first write the cofactor matrix. A, D, interchange A and D. No change in the sign, just interchange the values. Understand or not? Next, A, D means D, A. Next, this one, interchange the values with the sign. Minus C, D minus C minus B, A. Understand or not? Cofactor matrix. For suppose you take the example. What is the example? For suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the cofactor matrix of A? Means cofactor matrix of A is equal, already I told you, that is equal to B, whatever may be. First interchange these two means 4, 1. After they interchange these two with the negative sign. Minus 3, minus 2. 2, 3 means minus 3, minus 2. That is the cofactor matrix of A. 2 by 2 matrix, how to write the cofactors. Now I discuss about the cofactor matrix for 3 by 3 matrix. The given matrix is 3 by 3. How to find the cofactor matrix? Very, very important. This is, for suppose A is equal to, now we will take the 3 by 3 matrix. For suppose 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 4 of order 3 by 3. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. We can find the cofactor of an each and every element. Before we will find the minor of an every element. That's why you can find the cofactor of an every element. What is the definition of cofactor element? The minor of an element in a square matrix is multiplying with the minus 1 power I plus j. Already I told. Now in this one we can find the each and every element. You know very well. Now cofactor of, for suppose whatever may be, cofactor of, for suppose minus 2 we need. For suppose cofactor of minus 2. How to find the minus 2? First we write the minor. This is, for suppose, what is this means? Minus 2 minor. Deleting this one and this one. The obtained determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. This is the minor only. But the minor is multiplying with minus 1 power I plus j. This present in second row first column. Second row first column means minus 1 power 3 means 100% minus. Understand or not? Listen carefully. Whenever you can find the cofactor, first we will write the minor. What is the meaning of the minor? Means deleting that row and column, the element at which present. The element at which present you can delete the row and column. The obtained matrix, the determinant of the obtained matrix means remaining elements matrix 2, 3, 3, 4. This is the minor. The minor is multiplying with minus 1 power I plus j. That is called cofactor. This is the minor. The minor multiplying with minus 1 power I plus j. Remember once, minus 1 power I plus j. Minus 1 power I plus j means the sign of the minor is either positive or negative extra. The minor of the elements and cofactor of the elements is same, but some element change the sign. In the cofactor, some element change the sign. For suppose this is observe that 1, 1 minor is, we know the minor, -1, 0, 3, 4 determinant. The cofactor and minor is same because this is present in first row, first column. -1 whole square. -1 whole square means positive. The minor of the minor and cofactor of 1 is same. What about minor of 2? For suppose minor of 2 is 3, for suppose minor of 2 is 3. But this is the first row, second column. First row, second column means -1 power 1 plus 2 means cube. -1 cube means negative. Minor is for suppose 2, cofactor must and should minor. No change in the value, but change in the sign. For suppose minor is 2, cofactor is -2. For suppose minor of 3. What is the minor means? Deleting this row and column. For suppose minor is -6, -1, -7. Minor is -7. What is the cofactor means? This is first row, third column. First row, third column means power 4, means positive, means minor and cofactor is same. Understand or not? In a 3 by 3 square matrix, minor and cofactors are, the value of the minor and cofactor are same value, some value is different in the sign. This one is same minor cofactor because this is first row, first column. This is first row, second column. This is negative. Cofactor is negative. For suppose minor is positive, cofactor is negative. Minor is negative, cofactor is positive. Understand or not? In this one, 1, 3. First row, third column. Minor and cofactor both are same. In this one, second row, first column. Difference in the sign only, not value. This is second row, second column. Both are same. This is second row, third column. Same value but different in the sign. This is third row, first column. Same. Third row, second column. Different in the sign. Third row, third column. Both are same. Understand or not? Cofactor of -2. That's why we will write the cofactors. First we write the plus in front of the minor, minus in front of the minor, plus in front of the minor. Why? Means -1 power I plus j. Okay. Now what happened? Now we write the cofactor matrix of A. That is equal to suppose B. Now cofactor means minor multiplying with -1 power I plus j. This is first row, first column means 100% plus. Now you can find the minor of an element. This one cancel. Now 2 by 2 matrix. -1 into 4. -4. AD minus BC formula. Remaining 2 by 2 matrix. What is the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix means? AD minus BC. -0. First element is over. Next. What is the minor of 2? Minor of 2 means this is the first row, second column. -1 power I plus j means -1 whole cube means minus of. Now deleting this one and this one. -2 into 4. -8 plus 0. Next we write the minor means cofactor of 3 means first we write the minor. Okay. Write the minor means in the bracket, no doubt at all. Now symbol. What is the symbol means? This is the first row, third column means plus. What is the minor means? This one deleted. -2 into 3 AD -6 minus BC minus into minus plus means -6 -1. Now what is the minor of -2? Minor of -2. Okay, minor of -2 means first this is the second row, first column. Second row, first column means -1 power I plus j -1 power 3 means negative. Now deleting this one and this one. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. Next, cofactor of -1. Cofactor of -1 means it is present in second row and second column. -1 power 4 means positive. Now we write the minor. Minor means deleting the row and column. 1 4s are 4. Actually minus 3 into -1. -1 means plus 3. Next, cofactor of 0. Cofactor of 0. This is present at Second row, third column, minus 1 power 2 plus 3, 5. That is minus. 0 means deleting the row and column. 1 into 3, 3, minus. This one deleted. 1 into 3, 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 means plus 2. Understand? The same way, next, what is the cofactor of minus 1? It present in third row, first column. Third row, first column is positive. Symbol, sign is positive. Total value, we know. Total value is positive or negative after calculation of the minor. Okay. Now minus 1 means this one cancel. 2 into 0, 0. In the formula minus. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 means plus 3. After that, this is third row, second column. Third row, second column. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1 power 5 means negative. Now 3. 1 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 6 means plus 6. Because the formula minus of. Next, this is third row, third column means positive. Now this one. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. In the formula minus. 2 into minus 2 means minus 4 means plus 4. Now we will find out the some simple logic. Simple logic. What is this? Plus, minus. The first minor is multiplied with plus. Second minor of an element is multiplied with minus. Third one is plus. Fourth minor in front of is minus. This one plus. This one minus. Plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Remember. Easily. Okay, don't write this symbol. You write the minor of the minus 2 means you leave the total value minus 2. Okay, here minus is there. You cannot put the minus. You write the minor of minus 2 means process. What is the process? This is the process. Now calculate this one. Calculate of this one. Minus 4 minus 0. Minus 4. Print is there. Minus plus. Minus into minus 8. Plus 8. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. Plus into minus minus 7. 8 minus means minus 1 into minus plus 1. 4 plus 3 means 7. 3 plus 2 means 5. In front minus is there. 0 plus 3 means 3. 6 minus 6. Minus 1 plus 4 means 3. This is the cofactor matrix of A. Very simple, we can find how to find the cofactor of an element. How many elements are there? 2 by 2 matrix means 4 elements, 3 by 3 matrix means 9 elements. We can find the 9 cofactors. Those 9 elements we can replace with the cofactors. That is called cofactor of an matrix. What is the definition of the cofactor of an element? In a square matrix, every minor is multiplying with minus 1 power I plus j, where I comma j are the element present in which row and which column. That is the cofactor of an element. Okay, this is the cofactor. Now, how to find the determinant of the 3 by 3 square matrix? How to find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix? Listen carefully. Very, very important one. Very, very important one. The determinant of the square matrix of order 3 by 3 is the sum of the product of the elements of a row, the sum of the product of the elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors. With their corresponding cofactors is called the determinant of the square matrix. Understand? I think you cannot understand. Okay. Now listen carefully. Now for suppose A is equal. Now we will take the example any one, whatever may be, or otherwise A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. What is the definition? The sum of the product of the elements of The sum of the product of the elements of any row or any column with their corresponding cofactors. With their corresponding cofactors is called the determinant of the square matrix of order 3 by 3. Any row, any column we can take. 3 rows, 3 columns. For suppose we will take this row, second row. We will take the cofactors of those elements. After that, sum and product. Element into corresponding cofactor product, element into corresponding cofactor product, element into corresponding cofactor product. After that, we can sum. That is the determinant of the matrix. For suppose I will take, what is this? A1. This is the element. What is the cofactor means? Now, first cofactor of A1. Cofactor of A1 means deleting the row and column. This is first row, first column means positive, in front of the positive, no problem at all. B2C3 minus B3C2. B2C3 minus B3C2. 100%. Next, cofactor of A2. Cofactor of A2 means this is present in which first row, second column means 100% negative. Why negative means minus 1 power I plus j. Deleting the row and column. B1C3. B1C3 minus B3C1. Next, cofactor of A3. Cofactor of A3 means A3 means first row, third column means positive. Now deleting this one, B1C2 minus B2C1. This is the first row. We will take not first row, second row, third row, or first column, second column, third column. Whatever maybe we will take. Now we can find the corresponding cofactors. 9 elements you can easily you will find. Okay. This is the element corresponding cofactor. This is the element corresponding cofactor. This is the element corresponding cofactor. What is the determinant? The sum of the product of the elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors. This is the element, this is the cofactor. First you can product of these two, after that adding. Now the determinant of A is equal to the sum of the product of elements of a row, elements of any row or any column. The sum of the product of elements of any row, in the bracket any column, with their corresponding cofactor is called, corresponding cofactors is called determinant. Determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. Now what happened? This is the determinant. The determinant of A is equal, first one, element corresponding cofactor A1 into B2C3 minus B3C2. Product is over. Next, plus into minus, minus A2 into B1C3 minus B3C1. Next, sum of the product of the elements, these two products, A3 into B1C2 minus B2C1. This is the determinant of the square matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, any doubt? Understand or not? Yes. Now we will do the one example. How to do the determinant of the square matrix. Very, very simple, easy topic. How to find the determinant, that is very, very simple one. Now we will take the A is equal to, suppose 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 per suppose. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now we can find the determinant of the matrix. What is the determinant of the matrix of order 3 by 3 means? The sum of the product of the elements of any row or any column with their corresponding cofactors is called the determinant of the square matrix. Now det A, already I told you det A means vertical bars 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4. First element into corresponding cofactors. First element is 1. Now write the cofactor. What is the cofactor means? You know very well. Cofactor means the minor is multiplied with minus 1 power I plus j. In this one positive, no doubt at all. Now 3 into minus 4, minus 12. In the formula minus 2 into 1, minus 2 means plus 2. After that, element is 2. Element 2 is 2, cofactor we can find. But what is the sign means 100% minus. Why? This is the second row, first column, minus 2 into. Now we can find the minor. This minus represents the symbol for the cofactor. Why? Because minus 1 power I plus j. Minor is multiplied with minus 1 power I plus j. Okay. For suppose in this one positive is there, you can take minus. Negative is there, you can take positive. Simply. Now this one. 0 into minus 4, 0. The formula minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2, sorry, plus 4, that is 0 minus 4. Next, this is minus 1. Element is minus 1. Cofactor sign positive. Same minus 1. No change at all. Not understand? Element is minus 1. The minor is multiplied with, this is the minor, in the bracket value is minor. The minor is multiplied with minus 1 power I plus j. 1 plus 3, minus 1 power 4, positive. Minus into plus minus. Okay. Now this is 0, 3, 0 into 1, 0. Minus 3 into minus 2 means minus 6 means plus 6. Minus 2 plus 2, minus 10. Plus 8, minus 6. Minus 10 plus 8, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. This is a determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to minus 8. We will find the determinant of the matrix by using this method. Very easy method. Now, we will complete in the determinants, the first exercise will complete. Okay, in the determinants we will complete the first exercise. What is that? Find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix and the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Next we will discuss about the singular matrix. What is the definition of the singular matrix? The determinant of the square matrix is 0. The determinant of the square matrix is 0, then the matrix is called singular matrix. If determinant of A is equal to 0, A is a square matrix of order n by n, whatever may be, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, 4 by 4, whatever may be, the determinant of the square matrix is 0, then the matrix is said to be a singular matrix. The determinant of the square matrix is not equal to 0, then the square matrix is said to be a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Understand or not? You remember that one? When the determinant is equal to 0, that the matrix is called a singular matrix. When the determinant is not equal to 0, then the matrix is called non-singular matrix. Okay, thank you.